Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to merge two databases in Notion. This is very simple. As you can see, I have database D1 and the database D2. I want to merge these two databases, so what would I do in order to do that? I will select all of the contents in my second database, then click on these three dots which appear next to a trash icon, and then simply click on Move To and go over to the page name. So in my case, it is how to merge two databases, and expand it with this arrow. Now simply select the database number 1 or the name of the database that you want to move this to. Now, as you can see, these databases simply merge together. Thank you very much for watching. You can also delete this one because you don't need it anymore, and you can name it D1 and D2 merged. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.